In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Microsoft Word documents effectively. We'll focus on two areas: structuring a single document so it's easy to navigate, and managing your files so you always find the right version when you need it. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start inside the document. The foundation of an organized Word file is using styles for hierarchy. On the Home tab, apply Heading 1 for main sections, Heading 2 for subsections, and use Normal for body text. This simple habit brings consistency, makes your document scannable, and unlocks powerful features that save time. With headings in place, open the navigation pane from the View tab. You'll see your document as an outline on the left. Click any heading to jump there instantly, and drag headings to reorder entire sections without cutting and pasting paragraphs. It's a fast, safe way to restructure long drafts. Next, generate an automatic table of contents from the References tab. Because it's based on your heading styles, it builds itself and can be updated as your content changes. If you make edits, just update the table so page numbers and headings stay accurate. For very large projects like manuals or books, consider using master documents and subdocuments. Switch to Outline View from the View tab to create a master file that links to smaller subdocuments. This approach keeps each piece manageable, helps with collaboration, and reduces the risk of a single oversized file becoming unwieldy. Use section breaks to control layout. From Layout, choose Breaks, then Next Page or Continuous to divide content logically. This lets you apply unique headers, footers, and page number formats to different sections, such as Roman numerals for an introduction and Arabic numerals for the main body, without affecting the whole document. To improve navigation within your text, add bookmarks from the Insert tab to mark important spots like figures or tables. Then insert cross-references to link directly to those items, creating phrases like, "See Figure 3 on page 15. If content moves, these references can update automatically, keeping your document accurate. Now, let's talk file management. Use a consistent naming convention, such as project name _ document title _YYYYMMDD _V1. Docs. So versions sort clearly and you can track progress at a glance. Save to OneDrive or SharePoint to gain version history, cloud access across devices, and shared workspaces that prevent conflicting local copies. Finally, in File, under Info, fill out document properties like title, category, and keywords. This metadata makes your files searchable and easier to manage in organizational systems. Put these practices together, and your Word documents will be clearer, faster to edit, and much easier to find and share. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.